All right, let's look at example 4. We're using cubes again. This time you'll notice they are all plus. So we're using that bottom formula. So we start by saying, what can we take out? They have nothing in common. We only have two things, okay? And we notice that that's a cube. So what I'm going to do is see what they cubed. They cubed an R, and here they cubed a 3. So follow the formula. First one plus the second one. So I'm going to have R plus 3. Square the first one. R times R is R squared. Put a minus sign. Multiply them together. R times 3 is 3R. Put a plus sign and square the last one. 3 times 3 is a positive 9. And this is what we get. Let's look at part B. On part B, we can't take anything out. We do notice the cube. So in this case, they cubed a 3 and a Z, and 125 is 5 cubed. So we're going to follow the formula, first plus second. So that's going to be 3Z plus 5. Then it says square the first one. 3Z times 3Z is 9Z squared. Put a minus sign. Multiply them together. 3Z times 5 is 15Z. Then put a plus sign and square the last one. 5 times 5 is 25. And we're done with that one. We want to look at part C. Different color here. On part C, we have 125t cubed and 216s to the 6th. Now this one's a little bit trickier, okay? First of all, what they cubed here, it's not too bad. That's a 5 and a t. But here, this one is a 6 and an s squared. They cubed an s squared there. Now you do first one plus the second one, so that's going to be 5t plus 6s squared. Then it says square the first one. 5t times 5t is 25t squared. Then it says put a minus sign and multiply them together. You multiply 5t times 6s squared, you get 30s squared t. And then it says put a plus sign and square the last one. 6s squared times 6s squared would be 36s to the 4th for that one. Okay, I'm running out of room, so I'm going to have to do this last one way down at the bottom. Get a different color for that. Now, on this one, I can take something out. I can take out a 3. When I take out a 3, I'm left with x cubed plus, for part D, 3 goes into that 64 times. And then I want to ask myself, what did they cube? They cubed an x and they cubed a 4. So let's go way down here. And I'll put my answer down here. I do have to put the 3 in the front. Okay, then it's first one plus second one. So it's going to be x plus 4. Then it says square the first one. That would be an x squared. Then it says to put a minus in there and multiply them together. X times 4 is 4x. Then it says to put a plus and square the last one. 4 squared would be a positive 16. So that would be the answer that I'm looking for. Don't forget to leave your 3 in the front when you do that.